What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, Freestyle Cooker with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. Of course, y'all know what it is. I got another great video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through. If this your first time on the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest videos I love to share with y'all. Alright, so we going in. Alright, so today I'm doing my baked mini spaghetti bowls, y'all. So today we're going to do my mini baked spaghetti bowls, y'all. Real easy recipe, real quick, doesn't take long. Real friendly recipe that you can make anytime during the week, real quick. Trust me, you'll love it. Okay, so on the board I got me some hot Italian chicken sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you like. You can use some chorizo if you like, whatever you can get your hands on. And I also got some ground beef. Over here I got some Roma tomato cut up, some celery, some shredded carrots. I got some red bell pepper, orange bell pepper. Okay, I got me some roasted garlic, got me some dry shallots. All right, got me the mini spaghetti. You know what I mean? We doing the mini bowls, y'all. You feel me? All right, and we about to get it in, man. You know what I mean? So the first thing I want to do is get my pan out. Let's start to get our meat cooking, y'all. Oh wait, first what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your pasta going. Okay, get your pasta going, follow the box directions, and you want it like al dente, like you want it not all the way done but close to done, because we're going to finish it off baking it, y'all. All right, so get your water ready, make your pasta, get your pan, and let's do it. Got my pan out, started to heat it up. Let my pan get nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and start off with our meat, y'all. Alright, and we just want to cook our meat so we get it nice and brown. Alright, so we got our sausage in there, got our ground beef in there, and we're just gonna stir it up and get it nice and browned up. Alright guys, I got my meat nice and brown. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it. Alright, so as soon as you got your meat nice and brown, you want to go ahead and drain it. Now that I drain my meat, I'm going to go ahead and use the same pan with all that flavor and everything for my sausage and chicken up in there. Add a little bit of oil. Alright, get that heat up real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and add some of my roasted garlic. And I just want to toast these, y'all. It's like a little 30-second toss up. And my dry shallots. If you're using some fresh shallots or onions, then you want to go ahead and stir them up until they get soft. There we go, y'all. Like real quick. I just want to toast them a little bit. I don't want to burn them. Now after I do that, I want to go ahead and get my celery, carrots, tomatoes, peppers in there. What I'm talking about, y'all. Get that all mixed up real nice. And I'm going to go ahead and stir this up. I got it on a medium high for about 2 minutes. Smelling so good. Now, after a couple of minutes, I'm going to go ahead and just use a little bit of red wine to get the bits and pieces off the bottom. That's it. Just a tiny bit just a little bit. Okay, there we go. To get them bits and pieces off the bottom, y'all. Alright, so that's the glaze in my pan. You don't have no red wine, you could use some beef stock. Or if you don't have a beef stock, you just use some water. But we do want those little bits and pieces all up off the bottom of the pan. Alright. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some spaghetti sauce, some regular sauce. You know, you can make some homemade sauce, but everything we doing today is quick, y'all. Quick. Alright, get that incorporated in. Next, we want to go ahead and start putting our seasoning in. Go ahead and give you some salt. About a couple teaspoons. Some pepper. Maybe about a teaspoon of pepper, y'all. Next, some garlic powder. Teaspoon. Next, teaspoon of onion powder. Next, I'm going to do a teaspoon of herb de Provence, which is just a mixture of dry herbs. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon, maybe like 2 teaspoons of my chili and garlic, my hot chili and garlic. Next, I want to add some red pepper flakes. And this is all optional. The chili, the hot chili and garlic, that's optional. I like it spicy. If you don't like it hot, don't add it. But trust me, you should try to add a little bit of spice. I'm going to add some sugar, which is going to cut into that spice a little bit. Here, maybe about 2 teaspoons. Go ahead and stir that on up, y'all. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on a medium low after I got it stirred up, and go ahead and let this simmer for about 15 minutes, alright, on medium low. Now it's been 15 minutes. I want to go ahead now and I want to add my meat to my sauce. Here we go. And get that all incorporated, stirred in, y'all. We almost there, y'all. Real easy, real quick, fast. You know, nothing hard, real simple, kid friendly. You know, family will love it. And once I got all of my meat incorporated, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Parmesan, y'all. Some grated Parmesan cheese all over that. Yep. There we go. And you know, you can add as much as you like. I'm trying to make it real cheesy, so I'm adding quite a bit. Go ahead and stir that in. And now at this point, once you get this stirred in, you want to go ahead and heat your oven to 375. We about to get our bowls ready, y'all. Get our cheese ready. Alright, I'm using whatever cheese I got in the refrigerator, whatever you have on hand, you know, or whatever favorite cheese you like. You want to get your cheese ready, because we're going to let this do its thing for about a couple of more minutes. And get our bowls ready. Alright, so heat up your oven, 375. Get your cheeses ready. You want at least 2, 3 different cheeses, whatever you have, and get your bowls ready. Alright, let's do it. Alright, y'all. Got my cheese out, ready to go. What I had in the refrigerator. I got a couple of ramekins that I'm using so they can go right into the oven. Alright, so we about to get it in. Now in this bowl I got some cream cheese and sour cream mix, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. Now that I got that mixed up, I'm just slide it to the side. Get my pasta. And I meant to say in the beginning of the video, if you can't get the box of mini spaghetti, just get the regular spaghetti and break it up. So all you gotta do, break it up before you drop it in the pot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my sauce. There we go. I'm gonna add some of my sauce and get that mixed up in there, y'all. Alright. Now that I got a little bit of my sauce incorporated with my pasta, I'm gonna take one of my ramekins and just put a little bit on the bottom, y'all. Just a little bit, because these are my mini bowls. And you can also use this recipe even if you want to, you know, make a bigger portion, or you want to do like a whole casserole dish of it. You can also do that, follow the same recipe, but just using a bigger dish. Okay, get that on the ramekin. Right there on the bottom. Alright. Next, I'm going to add a layer of my cream cheese and sour cream mix. Get that up. Next, I got a little bit of my 4 cheese mix here. So I'm going to go ahead and layer that on top of my sour cream and cream cheese mix. Alright. Go. I want to go ahead and add a little bit more sauce. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Some more sauce up in there. After that, I'll go ahead and add some of my shredded cheddar cheese on top. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Get that crust on top. Alright. Next, I'm going to add another spoonful of my pasta and sauce mix. So I'm talking about, y'all. Alright, and now I want to add another topping of sauce. And then I want to go ahead and top it off with my cheese, y'all. Okay, y'all, our bowls is done. Now we're about to get these up in the oven for about 15 minutes, y'all. And that's it, alright? So, we're here at the finish line. They looking nicely. I'm telling you, though, this is a meal. This one little bowl, you might think a little bowl, it's not a lot. Trust me. This is a meal, right in itself. One bowl. You feel me? Alright? So let's get these up in the oven. Boom. Here we go, y'all. We at the finish line. We got our mini baked spaghetti bowls on deck, y'all. Garnished it with a little bit of green onion. Ready to go. You feel me? You see how the cheese is nice and crusted on top? All you gotta do is get your fork and dig in, y'all. You feel me? Real quick, easy recipe. You know, takes no time, and you can eat this with, you know, a salad, some garlic bread. You know what I mean? Do your thing. But trust me when I tell you this. This is like one serving. So unless you got enough ramekin bowls, which is, I think everybody should invest in it, because these bowls is dope and you can use them, you know, especially when you want to do them one serving meals or desserts. These are definitely good to use. Alright, so one of these, some garlic bread, a salad, that's the meal. You feel me? Alright, so I just wanted to share that with y'all like I always do. You know what I mean? Another dinner on deck. Alright? So, please subscribe, like, share, Hit that notification bell, to get all the latest videos that's up and coming. Comment, let me know what you think. If you want me to try something, if you tried the recipe, let me know, man. Holla at me, y'all. And appreciate y'all watching. And y'all know how I do. Holla.